Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to LS swap an Infiniti G35. First, let's explore why an LS engine is a fantastic choice for your G35, offering significant power and reliability upgrades. We'll then dive into the essential components you'll need, from the engine itself to the transmission and mounting hardware. Finally, I'll highlight common hurdles you might face during the process and provide practical solutions to keep your project on track. Choosing the correct LS engine and a compatible transmission is crucial for your G35 swap. Consider an LS1, LS2, or LS3 for a balance of power and availability. You'll also need a standalone wiring harness and a tuned engine control unit to manage your new power plant. Don't forget to budget for custom fabrication, as engine and transmission mounts, as well as exhaust routing, will likely require bespoke solutions. LS swapping a G35 presents unique challenges, but they are manageable. You'll need to upgrade your cooling system to handle the increased heat output, often requiring a larger radiator and custom hoses. Fuel delivery will also need modification, potentially including a new fuel pump and lines. Integrating the LS engine's electronics with your G35's existing systems, like the gauges and power steering, requires careful planning and often custom wiring solutions. Once the physical installation is complete, the next critical step is the initial startup and comprehensive tuning of your LS engine. This ensures optimal performance and reliability. After tuning, conduct thorough road testing to identify and resolve any lingering issues, ensuring your swapped G35 performs flawlessly. For more great deals, and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Enjoy your powerful new ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.